Hello everyone, so is it possible to have a transparent profile picture on SoundCloud? So it's not available as a feature in SoundCloud itself, but I have found this way described in community forum. So basically this is the post on Reddit. You can probably go here or just search for that. Yeah, if you want you can just pause this video and then you will see an example. So basically image 1. Just get the pictures at least this dimension and crop it exactly. So for example, you have this image here in preview. Then next step, make a 400 and 400 box square selection and make it 60 pixel away from left edge and the top edge. Yeah. So basically an easy way to do it is to make 460 square selection and move it to the left corner. So something like that, as you can see here. And then copy this 400 pixel selection to a new image. So as you can see here. So you're just copying it and then you will have a new image. And there you have it, and this will be your icon for SoundCloud. So just add any logo or branding you want, but do not modify the main background. So then on that image, just do something like that. And there you have it. Make sure before uploading that both images are PNGs. So there you have it. And this is, for example, how some of the examples look like. As you can see, it's kind of like a transparent logo here or something like that. So yeah, that's how it works. So hope it was helpful.